We're back at the shop. So, since it's the holidays, I probably won't be pushing out as many videos because we're broke boys. I don't got a lot of money. I gotta get people presents. And that bitch. Today's video, Jose found some belts at work. We're gonna put the accessory belts on. We're gonna have to retake out the engine. Hopefully the engine doesn't fall again. And then we're gonna put the brake booster in. I got stronger bolts for the motor mounts. We got some grade 8 bolts, so hopefully these will do better. And yeah, so I guess today's video is gonna be super fast. And just a quick video, just prepping everything, making sure we have everything. And maybe if I'm a good boy for Christmas, maybe Santa Claus will bring me some car parts and we can start working on it. What's that? Oh yeah. Oh, we can use that for this. And then ditch it too far. Yeah. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, I was like right into your fucking fire hole. I was like right in there. But alright, we're gonna do a time lapse. We're gonna get this engine out real quick and we're gonna put the brake boosters back in. Shit we do to get shit off. Jose's gonna hold his brakes while I zip it off. He says he's Macho Man.
I'm Macho Man Randy Savage, brother.
He's fucking Macho Man. Easy peasy.
Did you get it?
Okay. Yeah, I got it. When you're poor like me, this is how you get brand new stuff. Oh, fuck. Oh, these are the bolts. Where the fuck is the belt? This is the belt that we're gonna be using. You want to get a 1625, a 1620, or maybe a 1615. But we think the 1620 will fit way better on the 1UZ if you're running no power steering. I mean no AC. Can your boy do it with one hand? Oh, it's a 14. Up and over. Fuck no, I can't do a belt with one hand.
Everything.
Man. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Edit, let me do it so they know I didn't, so they know I did it. I just played. I just finished it. That was that. I remember Randy said that in the fucking.
Oh yeah.
He said, "Hey, stop it. Let me do it. Teamwork makes the dream work." Tension, but do a 20. Try a 20. We'll probably switch to a 20. Looks one step closer. Looks so much better. Welcome back. It's been like what, a day or two since we did some stuff to the 240. We basically just took the engine out and stuff. But yeah, I hope everybody had a good turkey day. Just needed to end the vlog. Probably gonna talk about a couple things. Right now we're trying to figure out the wiring, the fuel, and plumbing. And that's pretty much it. And once we have all that done, we'll make a video of it. I have to do my fucking right hand. I've been having my 240 for almost a year, and I just wanted to probably do a what are those things? Those stuff
Like a recap?
like a recap over the year, because it's been a year since we had a 240.
Yeah.
So like we'll do a quick recap of what we did with everything on the 240. I hope you enjoy these clips of when we first got the 240 and the progress that we went through all summer getting it ready to right now, how it is looking now. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on the next vlog. And Jose's holding the camera really funny. We are taking the engine out of the F14. All the goodies are all spread out. We got head gaskets, valve cover gaskets, spark plug gasket. It's budget built friendly. It is.
Not returnable now.
We are finally putting the cams on, finally putting everything back together. Oh man, dude, I'm so scared. Here we go. That noise, see? As of right now, everything is good. Everything is in timing. Dude, check this out. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this thing right here is so, dude, it's like too pretty. This is gonna be awesome. Here, check this shit out.
Soft music. I said it was ready for dessert.
the cherry picker, right? So the cherry picker just fell right in with the engine. I gotta look under.